Alrighty. Well, it looks like it is 7 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2020 Topps Chrome Sapphire Random Player One Box Break number 7. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against a numerically ordered checklist from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Brigelhausen in the top spot, and EFBG 8003 in the bottom spot. So we will cut and paste that against our numerically ordered checklist. I know there's a few folks who are breaking with us in this break for the first time. So if you happen to be on the live stream and have any questions or anything, by all means, please put those in the chat and I will answer them as soon as possible. I'm going to take this list and I'm going to cut and paste it over to the right and sort it by everyone's eBay IDs. And then we will briefly, not too briefly though, go through that list so everybody kind of knows who they have in the break before we open our box. Oh, there we go. Well, that didn't work at all, did it? I sorted the wrong column. Sorry about that. Let me resort this. Sorted by F and not by G. There we go. Jackpot. My bad. Okay, here we go. And if you happen to miss anything, we'll do a full recap at the end. We'll go through all the cards and see who got which ones as well. Hey Wayne, how are you doing this evening? Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. Here are 8 packs. Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yep. Pack number 1. First card is Jeff McNeil. Then Reese McGuire. Then Kelvin Herrera. And our last card in the pack is Jake Cave. Pack number 2. First card is a Edwin Rios rookie. And then our next card is I believe that is the red parallel of Abraham Toro. And that is serial numbered 3 of 5. 3 of 5. So that is the red parallel. Nice card for the Toro spot. And then next we have Jake Arrieta. And our last card in the pack is Jason Kipnis. Next pack. First card is Josh Reddick. Then we have a Colorado Rockies team card. Then we have Denelson Lamet. And our last card in the pack is Ronnie Rodriguez. Next pack. First card is Brian Goodwin. Then Jose Trevino. And then we have Jacob Junis. And then we have a Manny Machado and Fernando Tatis Jr. subset card. Next pack. First card is Matt Olson. And then next is Nick Markakis. And then our next card is our rookie autograph of Seth Brown. Seth Brown. And our last card in the pack is Yan Gomes. Pack number 6. First card is Kevin Biggio. Next card is Tyler Glasnow. Awesome, Wayne. Thanks for helping clear out some of those spots. Next is a Kwang Yun Kim rookie. And then our last card in the pack is Tommy La Stella. Pack number 7. First card is Jacob deGrom. Oh, how about this? Little Yordan Alvarez rookie. Very nice. Very nice. Great card for the Yordan spot. And the next is Trevor Bauer. And then the last card in the pack is Three's Company. Cole Calhoun, Joey Gallo, and Elvis Andrus. Last pack. First card, Abraham Toro. So whoever has the Toro spot, number 264, gets the base card and the red parallel serial number to 5. Next card is Chris Archer. And then next is Merrill Kelly. And our last card in the box is Mike Minor. Alrighty. So, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back through our list and see who got which cards. But first, actually, we'll just scroll back and forth through the list. No big deal. I won't bother putting them in order. Let me pull the screen up here. There we go. So our first card is Jeff McNeil. And that goes to Cards for Hobby 17. Congrats on that, Joseph. Nice card right out of the gate. And then next is Reese McGuire. And that also goes to Joseph. Doubling up back to back. Congrats on those. And then next is Kelvin Herrera. And that goes to RP3468. Congrats on that, Artie. And then next is Jake Cave. And that goes to Bentley Gardens. Congrats on that. And then next is Edwin Rios. And that goes to Stahel 5308. Congrats on that. And then next is Jake Arrieta. And that goes to Marley Gus. Congrats on that. And then next is Jason Kipnis. And that goes to Surly Bunk. Congrats. And then next is Josh Reddick. And that goes to EFBG 8003. Congrats on that. And then next is the Colorado Rockies team card. And that also goes to EFBG 8003. Doubling up back to back. Congrats on those. And then next is Denelson Lamet. And that goes to Artie. Doubling up. Congrats on that, Artie. And then next is Ronnie Rodriguez. And that goes to Marley Gus. Doubling up. Congrats on that. Hey, Dusty, how are you doing this evening? And then our next card is Brian Goodwin. And that goes to Artie with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is Jose Trevino, or Trevino. I guess he doesn't have the Intende over the N. And that goes to TDWP Fan 44. Congrats on that. That's right, it is break night, which is always great. Always great. Then our next card is Jacob Junis, and that goes to Joe Ultimate. Congrats on that. And then next is our Fernando Tatis and Manny Machado subset card. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. And then next is Matt Olson. And that also goes to Pablo. Back to back, congrats on those. And then next is Nick Markakis. And that goes to Desert CSI or SCI. Congrats on that. And then next is Jan Gomez. And that goes to BRMCG 3678. Congrats on that. And then next is Kevin Biggio. And that goes to EFBG 8003 with the triple. Congrats on that. And then next is Tyler Glasnow. And that goes to Harsh NK3. Congrats on that. And then next is Quang Young Kim. And that also goes to EFBG 8003 with the quad. Congrats on that. And then next is Tommy LaStella. And that goes to Shelb 597. Congrats on that. And then next is Jacob deGrom. And that goes to Anthony. CAC Collects. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next is Trevor Bauer. And that goes to EFBG 8003 with the 5-pack. Congrats on that. And then next is our Three's Company subset card, 365. And that goes to Joe Ultimate. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is Chris Archer. And that goes to Chief 8514. Congrats on that. And then next is Merrill Kelly. And that goes to Pablo with the triple. Congrats on that, Pablo. And then next is Mike Miner. And that goes to the Bug 2001. Congrats on that, Keith. And now my little Google Sheet is reconnecting and doesn't want to cooperate with me. Alrighty. There we go. And then lastly is our Yordan Alvarez rookie card. Card 276. And that goes to Doe Ryan. Congrats on that, Ryan. Nice card. So then next we've got our Abraham Toro base rookie, and then also his red parallel, which are both. The red parallel is serial number 3 of 5. And both of those go to Joe Ultimate. Congrats on those. And then lastly is our Seth Brown rookie autograph. So I'm going to go down here to my little cheat sheet. I have a list of all the rookie autographs with their corresponding base set number. Seth Brown is number 123. And that goes to Arky 40. Congrats on that. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2020 Topps Chrome Sapphire Random Player One Box Break number 7. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break tonight. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes with our 21 Donruss Optic Baseball Choice Random Team Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.